All right, guys, we're back to reacting to Forex traders on TikTok. Let's jump right in.
You cannot sleep, not just for 1 second. Do you understand how much money you're missing on if you sleep?
Forex is a scum.
Scum and villainy.
I assume it's scam. Oh, that's a nice trade. Look at that. He's sold up in this area. Now it's fallen apart, which is fantastic for him. Couldn't possibly go wrong. Oh my gosh, what the heck is this? Okay, so UGX, somebody do the conversion for us. How much is this in US dollars? I'm curious. $800,000 UGX.
Forex is a scam. Forex is a scam. Kumanyoko. Oh, let's go.
These guys, what are they? This is so funny. There's like two of them on the mic together. They're like reacting to this movement. That is hilarious.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
I love how much fun they're having right now.
Let's go.
Okay, the guy who's laughing, what are they saying that's making him laugh that hard? This guy is like, I don't know if he can breathe. Like, let's get a rerun on that whistly laugh.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Oh my goodness. If you guys are new to the channel, I want to invite you to subscribe really quick, but also if you want access to our free Discord channel, click the link in the description. We'll be sharing a free link to join our Discord. You just fill out the form and you get access to join our free analysis, our daily watch list, things like that are sent out in Discord. So if you have it, come join us.
You are not going to make it in Forex because you cannot make it to day 4. Let me explain. There's 2 things that you're doing wrong. You're taking more than 3 trades a day, 1, and then 2, you're trading more than 1 session. Me, for example, I have an expectancy of 5 to 1, risk to reward, right? So if I'm risking 100 to make 5, on my day 1, if I lose 3, I'm down 300. If on the second day I lose 3, I'm down 600. On my third day, I lose 3, I'm down 900. But on my 4th day, I take 2 trades that are winning trades, and I'm up net plus 100. That's a 20% win rate.
That's the math broken down right there. I mean, here's the thing. I love the great, the best thing about high risk to reward ratios or large rewards relative to smaller risk is that it doesn't take, and that's what this guy's getting to, it doesn't take that much to get all the way back to break even or even to profit when you experience a losing streak or drawdown. We've seen this before. We know it gets up to 50 lots. Let's see if I'm, yep.
How to catch a pullback after CPI news. All right, guys. So this candle here on the 15-minute time frame was CPI news today on December.
Okay, he's looking at NZD USD. Big move to the upside 13, on CPI
20,
numbers.
22.
I remember this.
The move happens, right? After the move happens, you have to understand that this market needs to do a reversal, right? So what I wait for, right? So there's 2 ways I enter. There's a fair value gap, and there's, of course, like just selling the highs, like literally with sell limits, right? So what I ended up getting was where is it?
Wow, this is aggressive. This is aggressive. So he's saying the 2 methodologies of trading the news, which one is far more aggressive, I would say. The far aggressive one is looking to just jump in front of or sell a big pop to the upside or buy a big drop to the downside. As long, I can actually see that being a reasonable strategy as long as that pop actually enters into a level of resistance on a higher time frame. In fact, that's how I use news all the time. Is like, let's say I'm bullish on the dollar and the dollar pulls back real hard, like it sells off on the 15-minute chart, but on the 4-hour chart, that pullback is coming into an area of support that I really like. I might look to buy it. Using it in that way, I love using news in that way.
I ended up getting a bearish candle right here closed. And what I did next was actually place a sell limit above this candle with a stop loss just 20 pips above and, 80 pip stop loss, right? And what I'm anticipating here is just for kind of price to like exhaust itself at these highs and kind of start playing around these levels before dropping. And what we ended up getting was a push up, but then eventually this bad boy ended up dropping lower and lower and lower.
Very, very cool. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing with the news. a lot of times what you get is you get these really big spikes followed by really big drops. And that's the thing, is like very often that is the case. So there is oftentimes, if you can find confirmation, some great opportunities to trade that reversal.
Gonna be on a buy, and ZD is gonna be on a buy, and I'm gonna make money as we
Wait, is this one of those I don't know his name. There's one trader that's like popular. Are they like using his voice and animating it?
speak right now. Others are busy bewitching others, and then others are busy preparing for work. NZD is a buy. NZD is a buy. Pa! 1 second profit.
Okay. Oh. They did this man dirty. They're memeing on him. They're memeing on the man.
I'm kidding.
Why is he just smiling? Whoever did this cartoon, you did this man dirty, whoever the original guy is. Because this, oh my gosh, he literally, we got to go back and watch that. Saying NZD is a buy.
NZD is a buy. NZD is a buy. Pa! 1 second profit.
1 second. Down 31 or 33K. Oh, that's some pain right there. Cap USD. Y'all remember Forex traders from 2021 to 2022?
I say high energy, I need to hear high income. All right? When I say low energy, I want to hear no income. All right? Be good? Be good?
High energy, high income, no energy. Man, I don't want to just like bash on MLM stuff, because I understand that not everything related to do with an MLM is like entirely bad, but man, MLMs plus Forex, they do not go together. That stuff is whack in my opinion. Because here's the thing, none of these guys are probably even trading. They're just like hyping it all up, and you know, I don't know if they trade or not, but what does all this, there's not even one chart open, and they're all out here just like hyping up, you know, big income and stuff like that. I don't know, man. That stuff is weird to me. Like Cap USD, indeed. I'm with that. Like I saw this video recently of somebody confronting like a MLM person in the Forex world. You guys know the companies. They were approaching them and they were like, can you like, I'll join if you can just show me that you're profitable. Like, have you actually learned in this? And the guy's like, oh yeah, I'm doing great. And he's like, well, can you show me? And the guy can't show him. So he's like, well, his reasoning is, well, I'm not doing great yet, but I know another trader who's doing great. And that's where it just starts going down this slippery slope. I'm like, man, if you love this company so much and you're trying to get me to join this company so bad and you're not even profitable yet, where's the money? Oh, the money's in me signing up under you. That's where things get whacked, man. That's where the MLM stuff with Forex to me just makes no sense, because it's so quickly becomes all about like the recruiting and not about the actual trading. Like none of them show track records. None of them show you their accounts when you ask them to. It's, I don't know, man. It's and then they all go quiet when the markets or when you know, recession hits. So suddenly nobody's got any money to buy into MLM stuff.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
How much cash was on the table? Look at this. That's gotta be fake money, right?
2,
that's real.
3, let's go. Are you ready?
Day traders have it all wrong. They see the market run up, they sell it. It comes down, they buy it. It runs up, they sell it. It comes down, they buy it. It runs up, they sell it. And then, whoa, prices take off and they sell and they lose money all the way up, not realizing the only way you make money in the market is to catch a trend. It doesn't matter if you're a day trader or a long-term trend trader. Trend is the basis of all profits. You need a trend. Now, we also know this, if you study.
Yep, that is absolutely facts. Like, so many traders, what they do is they don't ever let winners run. They spend their entire trading career chasing little moves and never letting a winner just become a massive profit. I love to think about this because it's so relatable, because I can imagine probably you guys have experienced this too. New traders, what they do is they hold on to losers and they get rid of winners quick. Ask yourself real quick, is that something you've made a mistake in? And I bet a lot of you guys are like, yeah, I've held on to losers, no stop loss, trying to do that sort of thing. That's so common because we don't want to lose, right? Mentally, we're like, I don't want to lose. Mentally, we all want to win. So as soon as stuff goes in our favor, what do? We snatch profit. What he's saying here is that, you know how when you hold on to that loss forever and it just turns bigger and bigger and worse and can eventually blow the account? He's saying the opposite is true for profitable traders. They hold on like this. They bear hug onto good trades and they hold that trend as long as they possibly can. And it takes a lot of discipline to do that. It's not easy, but I would agree that for many, many profitable traders, most profitable traders that I know trade like this. They trade for holding on to big profits and letting them become massive, massive winners. So yeah, good little educational piece to end it with. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and we'll see you back next time.